in between being a boot camp grad and getting your first job, you did this thing with the 30 app challenge, like doing 30 apps in 30 days, which was kind of a huge hit.
I knew there was going to be a lot of competition because it was 20 other graduates as well that graduated the same boot camp that I had, and we had pretty much the same projects. And I didn't feel confident. I didn't feel like I could answer, why should we hire you? I wouldn't be able to answer that. So I kind of wanted to show that I was still learning, that I was willing to put in the work. And I know me personally, I can get hung up on like the smallest thing. So that's why I chose to do smaller apps instead of one larger one. So it'll push myself to kind of like put those out.
Just do it. Don't worry about it being perfect.
Right. That was my main thought about it. Like, I'm going to fix it later. I'm going to get the work that I can do out and just put it on LinkedIn. I don't know why I decided to do that, but I am glad that I did, because as you can see, it worked.
So how did it lead then to you landing your first position?
After I started posting those applications on LinkedIn, everybody just started coming to me. Like, I was blown away by the response that I got. It was amazing. So I had recruiters hitting me up, people from different jobs and stuff asking me, do I want to work for that company? And ultimately, I picked the first one, really.
Did you just do the one interview and like, I'm done, I'm just going to take this one?
Pretty much.
I don't blame you at all. Interviews are so grueling and just nerve-wracking. And
it is anxiety. But
did
yeah, I
you
mean,
do any whiteboarding or anything for your interview? Or
I didn't. Only thing that I had to do, and that was different than I wasn't really expecting, was just kind of read off some code that I've never seen before. And it was just super, super complex. It included TypeScript. And at that time, I didn't even know what TypeScript was.
Right.
So
Like,
I kind of struggled through that part. I'm like, I know I did terrible. But one of the guys, he helped me through it. So got through it together.
Well, that's a great test, though, because that's what your daily life has been like since looking at super complex code and trying to make sense.
And reading somebody else's code. So that was a very good test. And yeah, like I said, I struggled through the whole thing, but obviously they liked me and I went to the next level. I had about 5 different interviews with that same company, though. I had a phone interview, and then I came in, and then I had a behavior interview, and then I had a technical interview with some team leads, and then I had another technical interview with like some team members. And then after that, I'm like, okay, I'm done.
Do you feel like your experiences in boot camp or doing the 30 app challenge helped prepare you for professional work, or is it a big difference, or what? How has it been going?
You see how I'm looking? It was totally different. Like their repos and their code is so large. I guess it's on a huge scale. It prepared me, I guess, on teaching me how to think like a developer. So let's just say that. But it's a lot different than what I expected. It's a little frustrating, learning all of this new stuff. And I thought that I was ready, and seeing that, no, you're not. You're still learning.
There's always something to make you feel like a total beginner again, isn't there?
Right. Every day.
All right. Thanks a lot, Shante.
All right. See you later.